Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox EcoVolt Plus 1650 inverter of Luminous company. Friends, please do watch this video till the end. If you came to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. This is having volt ampere rating of 1500 volt amperes and active power rating of 1260 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 5 lights, 5 fans in 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, make sure that you have connected load less than the active power rating of the inverter. For reason, please go through the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, this is a sine wave inverter, so you can run your devices very safely with better performance and less noise. As this is a sine wave inverter, you can use this in the cities, low voltage up areas and low time power cuts. For reason, please go through the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button, friends. Friends, this is having warranty of 24 months. That means 2 years. Friends, this is having DC line voltage of 24 volts. So you have to connect 2 batteries in series, each of 12 volts. So 12 cross 2, you are going to get 24 volts. As you are connecting 2 batteries, this is double battery inverter, friends. Friends, you can select 4 battery types over here: tubular, flat plate, SMF and local. Based on the battery type, you have to select battery type to the inverter, friends. If you have selected your battery as tubular, you have to select tubular. If you have selected your battery as flat plate, you have to select flat plate. If you have selected your battery as SMF, you have to select SMF. SMF means seal maintenance free battery, friends. And if you have selected your battery as local, you have to select local. Friends, you can select 3 charging currents over here: high, medium and low. Based on the battery capacity, you have to select the charging current, friends. If you have selected high capacity battery, then go with the high charging current. If you have selected low capacity battery, then go with the low charging current. Friends, here comes a question, why I have to do that? Friends, if you have selected high charging current for low capacity battery, it is going to decrease the battery life. If you have selected low charging current for high capacity battery, it is going to charge your battery slow. Friends, for this inverter, you can select battery anywhere from 80 ampere hours to 200 ampere hours. You can use this in the shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. Friends, you can select Eco mode or UPS mode for this inverter. If you have electrical appliances, then go with the Eco mode. If you have electronic appliances, then go with the UPS mode. Friends, this is having MCB rather than the fuse. So if any short circuit or overload takes place, it is going to trip. So make sure that one, friends. Friends, for more details, I would like to invite you to my website link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company EcoVolt Plus 1650. Here on the side you can see sine wave. So this is the sine wave technology, friends. Performs best with Luminous batteries. Friends, here you can see the key features. Rugged technology designed for high performance and longer backup time, specially suited for Indian power conditions. Auto holiday mode preserves battery charge and safeguards battery life. Supports a wide range of batteries with 3-step charging current and 4-step battery type selection. So you can select 3 charging currents and 4 battery types over here. Adaptive Battery Charging Control Technology (ABCC) ensures faster battery charging and enhances battery life up to 70%. Friends, here you can see the display indications, protections, alarms and product details. Coming to the display indications, over here you can see mains available: battery charging, eco mode, UPS mode, low battery and overload. This inverter protects from short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload and over temperature. Friends, coming to the alarm, you can see battery low pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit and false. Friends, coming to the product details, over here you can see manufacturing date, month and year: 27 July 2020. Lot number, product name sine wave UPS, model EcoVolt Plus 1650 by 24 volts. Voltage 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Maximum retail price, that is MRP of 11,320. Manufactured and packed by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Over here you can see the address, friends. For consumer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Over here you can see toll-free number, email ID, website. If you have any queries or complaints regarding this product, you can contact through any of these. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company EcoVolt Plus 1650 inverter. Now I am going to unbox this inverter, friends. Friends, over here you can see the warranty card. Important. Friends, this is the front side of the inverter. Over here you can see Luminous Company EcoVolt Plus 1650. Mains available: charging, eco mode, UPS mode, low battery, overload, power on and power off button. Mains: whenever the grid supply is available, mains will glow. Charging: whenever the battery charging takes place, it is going to glow. If the battery is fully charged, it will not glow, friends. Eco mode: if the inverter is on eco mode, it will glow. UPS mode: if the inverter is on UPS mode, it will glow. Low battery: whenever the low battery takes place, it is going to glow. Overload: whenever the overload takes place, it is going to glow. Power on and power off button: it is used for switching on and switching off of the inverter. Friends, this is the back side of the inverter. Friends, over here you can see input MCB. If the overload or short circuit takes place, it is going to trip. So you have to switch it on. Input 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. From this you are going to take the input, friends. Output: this is the output of the inverter, friends. Friends, over here you can see the battery positive terminal and battery negative terminal. Regulated and unregulated. Regulated means UPS mode, unregulated means eco mode. Friends, over here you can select 4 battery types: tubular, flat plate, SMF and local. You can select 3 charging currents over here: low, medium and high. Friends, this is the heat sink. It is going to control the temperature. Input: rated voltage 220 volts AC. Rated current is of 9.91 amperes. Frequency 50 Hz. Single phase output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC. Rated current 7.16 amperes. Frequency 50 Hz with the tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz. Single phase. Capacity 1500 volt amperes and active power rating of 1260 watts. Operating temperature 45 degrees centigrade. DC bus rating of 24 volts DC and current is of 52 amperes. Friends, on the top side of the inverter you can see this warning: risk of voltage backfeed. Correct polarity should be maintained, friends. Recommended battery is of 24 volts 12 into 2, that is double battery inverter. 80 ampere hour to 200 ampere hour. Friends, on the side of the inverter you can see this. These are for the letting the heat out so that you can make the inverter cool. Friends, for more details I would like to invite you to my website link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you have any doubts regarding this product or if you want to buy this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966 979707. If you want me to do review of other product, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with that video. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching the video, friends.